Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Suman and I'm going to be your host today to help you create your very first LinkedIn account. I'm not going to talk too much describing you what LinkedIn is, but just to give you a quick overview, LinkedIn is a professional social network for connecting with your colleagues, finding job opportunities, and growing your career. You can treat your LinkedIn as a digital portfolio to showcase your expertise, work experience, education, achievements, and so on. Without wasting any further time, let's get started on our main topic of the day, which is how to create LinkedIn account. In order to do that, you will need to sign up on LinkedIn platform. So let's head over to linkedin.com. So for this case, I will go to Google and simply type LinkedIn, and here we go. Click on the first site. So there are two ways you can create your LinkedIn account. Either you can continue with Google, or you can simply click on new to LinkedIn, join now. So here in this case, I have already logged into my Gmail, but if you haven't, simply click on new to LinkedIn and join now. So here you will have to give your email address and add a strong password. So here I will add my email, paste it, and create a strong password. So I have added my email, password, and simply click on agree and join. So second thing, I'll need to give my first name and add your last name and click on agree and join. Once you click on that, as you can see, we need to add furthermore, we need to give furthermore information. So here I'm in Thailand, so I'm gonna add Thailand here, maybe simply just Bangkok. After that, press next. So here your profile help you discover. So here I can add my recent job if I am not a student, but if I am a student, I can simply click on student. So if I have done any job before, I can add it here. So here, digital marketer, specialist. So this is when you have already done some type of job already in the past, and click choose any of these, like is that job full-time, part-time, were you self-employed, was that freelance, contract, internship, apprenticeship, or that is just a seasonal work. And here you will need to add the company name that you work for. So simply search for company that you work for. So in this case, I have worked in Move Ahead Media. So here, when I type company name, I will find it easily here. However, if I am a student, simply click on student. Now it will ask me which university I am student of. So here I can simply add my university. So here you can add here just regions, international school, Bangkok, started year 2018 and year 2019, 2020, and then I am over 16. So press on continue. So once I have clicked on that one, as you can see, LinkedIn had sent me a confirmation code in my email. So here I might have got, so here as you can see, I have got my PIN. I'll simply copy the PIN, go back and paste your PIN. After that, LinkedIn is actually asking me, are you looking for a job? If you are looking for a job, you can choose same option. So that's yes, I am actively looking for a new job. If not, you can not really, but would consider the right opportunities, or no, I'm not interested in any type of job. So in this case, I'm not interested in any job opportunities. press on next. And here now I can either I can start connecting with people. I know I can simply search for people I know, and then it will give me a list of people. But from here I couldn't do advanced filtering, so I will skip this process for now, and then I will start adding later on. So after that, you will need to add your profile picture. Make sure your profile picture is professional. So here, let me see if I have picture. This one, let me add that one, and simply this is okay. Press on save photo. So now, as you can see, I have added my profile picture as well. Choose another image. Okay. Change photo. Here, press on continue. And then now I don't want to install app, but you can install app on your mobile phone. You can find LinkedIn app on both Android and iOS. You just need to go to Play Store and search for LinkedIn. You will find that. After that, I am not interested on learning for the more courses here. And then if you would like to follow the favorite companies, like maybe you would like to know if there is any job opportunities, or if you're a student, maybe if there is any internship programs or whatever, you can simply follow this company on LinkedIn, so you will get up-to-date information about this company. After that, press finish. So as you can see, now my profile has been set up. So now we have successfully created our LinkedIn account. So next step, what we're gonna do is we're gonna customize our public profile URL. So on here, you can see this is my LinkedIn address. So here, if you'd like to have your own custom URL, you can simply hit on the pencil icon and edit your. So here I can simply add, so www.linkedin.com/ion/sumandhakalbkk. That's my custom URL. So here, as you can see, I have already finished customizing my URL as well. So I'll go back and let's start networking. So here, I might search for people who I know already. So here, Lewis Patrick Andrews. So as you can see, I found one of my friend here. I'll click on him, and then now I will open his profile and click on more and connect. So I have sent a connection request to friend who I know. If I want to add a short message, click on note and hey Lewis, I am Suman. Let's connect on LinkedIn too. So this is just an example, and press send. So this is how you can add people. Another thing, so to do advanced filtering, which I was talking earlier, you can search for person Messingham, John Messingham, and here this is where you can add your filter. So here, as you can see, there are what you are looking for. Are you looking for people? Are you looking for posts, companies, group, jobs, products, services, and so on? So I click on add filter. This is where you will put more filter to find that particular person. So he's in Australia. I will press on Australia, and then current company. If you know where he is working currently, you can simply put there. Here I just want to connect with John Missingham, whose location is in Australia. If I have further more information, I can simply add more just to make sure I find that person. After that, just press show. Once I press on that, now it is filtered. So I am looking for a people named John Missingham and who live in Australia. And to be honest, in this case, this first profile is the one which I was looking for, and I know him. So same thing, if I would like to connect with him on LinkedIn, I will simply press on more and then connect. And once I click on connect, if I would like to add extra message, I will click on add note and I will type, hey John, let's connect on LinkedIn. I will press on send, and now I have successfully sent connection request to John. In this same video, let me give you another extra information that will help you more. Let's presume you are looking for a job and you would like to know which company is actually recruiting for the position you would like to apply. So head over to search and simply search for the position you are looking for. So I will type here digital marketing specialist and press on that one, or just type the correct keyword. Sorry, I typed wrong spelling. So here, once you add your preferred job title, this is actually showing whole thing. So here you will need to simply press on job. So press on job, and now you can see all company who is currently hiring digital marketing specialist in Thailand. So here you can also add even more filter to make it more relevant and related to your search. So date posted, you might want to know a active hiring. So here you might just want to choose past week. So on past week there is 20 results who is actively hiring for digital marketing specialist. But here, as you can see, this is digital marketing analyst, social commerce program management, senior marketing specialist. So here there is two ways you can apply for this job. The first one is easy apply, where you can simply apply for this job. Another way, if you want to approach hiring manager, maybe you would like to add him, connect with him, and learn more about this opportunity. For the more information, in that case you will simply do a same approach which we did in earlier step, that is simply connecting with this hiring manager and adding them, connecting with them, and sending them a message, and you might get a response from them. And there you have it. You have successfully created your LinkedIn account, set up your profile, started networking, and also exploring few job opportunities. Don't forget, LinkedIn is a powerful tool for professionals, so make sure to keep your profile updated and stay active in your network. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tips on professional networking and career growth in LinkedIn. If you have any question or need further assistance, don't hesitate to ask question in comment below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video. Thank you very much.